Are you troubled with poor digestive issues? You feel rushing to the toilet many times a day, struggling with frequent diarrhea and constipation, or sometimes both, experiencing low appetite, nausea, and vomiting too, thinking it to be a normal thing. So, you might be wrong. Any symptom that manifests in you for a longer time cannot be a casual health issue. It is something bigger and can be severe. Well, it could also be IBS or irritable bowel syndrome. IBS is not a common digestive disorder. It's a problem with the stomach and the intestine. It's a gastrointestinal disorder, abnormal bowel habits. Well, sometimes we ignore the condition or sometimes we are unaware of it. So, let's discuss what are the major symptoms of IBS by which you can identify your condition. Hello and a very warm good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Amisha. I gladly welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can get acquainted with lots of information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and disease treatment with holistic and natural care. Today, in my video, I will tell you how you can identify whether you may have IBS or not. So, stay tuned and watch my complete video without a single skip. Okay, so let's first start with what IBS is. Irritable bowel syndrome is a chronic digestive disorder that causes abdominal discomfort and changes in the bowel movement. It is a condition of your intestine and stomach, meaning your gastrointestinal tract gets damaged but does not cause permanent damage to the intestines, unlike Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Now, let's move on to the symptoms. These are the prominent symptoms of IBS. If you have IBS, you may experience abdominal pain and cramping, usually in the lower abdomen. This discomfort often lessens after a clear bowel movement. The pain can range from mild to severe and is typically linked with changes in bowel habits, which may lead to digestive issues and related discomfort. Bloating is a very notable symptom of IBS. People with IBS often experience bloating, which is a feeling of fullness or tightness in the abdomen. Improper digestion and uneven bowel movements lead to excessive gas production, causing more digestive discomfort and unease. Well, in IBS, you may observe more flatulence and belching as they are very common symptoms. Due to irregular bowel habits and improper digestion, excessive gas can be produced in the abdomen, which may feel like a heavy abdomen. Now, I come to the third symptom, which is very prominent. It is diarrhea predominant IBS or IBS-D. Some people with IBS also experience diarrhea. It may be loose or watery stool. This may start with abdominal pain with an urge to go to the washroom many times a day. IBS is characterized not only by diarrhea but also by constipation. You may experience infrequent bowel movements or struggle to pass stools, which can be hard, dry or lumpy, making them painful to pass. This type of IBS is known as constipation predominant IBS or IBS-C. Now, let's talk about the sixth symptom in which a patient complains of both diarrhea and constipation on an alternate basis. This is alternating diarrhea and constipation where bowel movements fluctuate between loose and hard stools. IBS-M. People with IBS often observe mucus in their stool while using the toilet. This mucus, which can be white or clear, is expelled along with the feces. It is a common symptom and may be linked to changes in bowel habits. While mucus in stool is not always alarming, but if this happens persistently, then you should be careful a bit and discuss it with your healthcare provider. IBS is a change of behavior in bowel movements leading to poor digestion, gas, and acid reflux, which causes less appetite. People with IBS often feel less hungry for foods due to bloating, cramping, diarrhea, and constipation, which makes them feel like eating less. Food intolerance is common in people with IBS as around 80% of people with IBS have some sort of intolerance to specific foods. IBS patients are more intolerant to gluten, dairy products and food maps food. Well, Fatigue is also linked with IBS. Malnutrition and poor absorption of essential nutrients can cause weakness in the long run. If you notice fatigue with IBS, then you should immediately take proactive steps to tackle your weakness. Alright, so I hope now you have a clear understanding of the major symptoms of IBS. Well, IBS is not merely a digestive disorder, it is something more than this. So, you must consult your doctor if you notice the symptoms I have told you. IBS can easily be treated with natural and holistic medicines that go side effect free and bring fast results in the patient condition. Homeopathy has now emerged as one of the safest and most effective medicinal system worldwide, as thousands of patients are recovering from their condition with just small globules dipped in the potent alcohol-based medicine. Well, when it comes to homeopathic treatment, Bharat Homeopathy is a prominent face for treating thousands of IBS patients globally, and we are continuously striving in the same direction to offer our patients an effective treatment. We are a team of experienced doctors who assess the patient's constitution carefully and prescribe a personalized and customized homeopathic treatment after a full case taking. If you have any questions related to digestive problems or homeopathic treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us today. Well, I hope you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related information. Thanks.